6 best cheap laser engravers that actually work well. So, you want a cheap laser engraver for wood or for cutting thin acrylic sheets? And you really don't want to break the bank? Don't sweat it. I've gathered together the best reasonable laser engravers in each cost range, including under $300, $500, and $1,000. I've even positioned the best minimal expense CO2 laser. However, on the off chance that you're a novice, keep away from this as it's more perplexing. The best cheap laser engraver machines under $300. Now let's take a look at the best budget laser engravers, starting with the cheapest. Engraver 3 Engraver 3 Pro. Cheapest laser engraver. Power 5.57.5W. Work area original 170 mm. Pro 400x 410mm and extends to 400 aux 1040 mm. Previous Engraver models have been the best laser engraver under $200. In the new line of Engraver, there are 4 Engraver 3 lasers, ranging from under $300 to about $700. We're discussing the cheapest one here. The basic version, Engraver 3, has a cantilever design style. They've managed to eliminate a lot of the body frame with that style to keep the price low. However, such a design is not sturdy, and while the better versions, Engraver 3 Pro and 3 Max, have an improved gantry design, they're more expensive. Engraver 3 has many laser head modules. They are mostly 5.5W, though the Engraver 3 Max has an 11W laser. The 5.5W lasers have various spot sizes and focal lengths, giving them differing capabilities with various materials. However, the best choice for beginners is the N30820 module, which is appropriate for general purposes. Other laser module options are faster engravers, some are better for metals, and some can cut thicker material. One excellent upgrade option is to get the A4-640 module with a fantastic 0.04 x 0.06 mm spot size with excellent abilities for the price. It can cut thick and is excellent at engraving steel, coated metal, stones, and more. Engraver's software choices are plentiful. You can run it with EngraveWin software, Laser GRBL, and Lightburn. It's also compatible with Android, iOS, and macOS. On the other hand, Engraver has several drawbacks. For one thing, it's mostly in the DIY direction, with documentation in its wiki but little support beyond this. On Amazon, most stores have only 1 or 2 Engraver models, so you may struggle to find the specific version you want. Two Trees TTS55, top pick, under $300. Laser power 5.5W, work area 300U or 300 mm. The Two Trees TTS55 is one of the cheapest laser engraving machines that still offers really good carving quality. Two Trees goes into technical details to claim that this laser has an exceptional spot size and transmits more concentrated energy. However, while the spot size is good, 0.8 meter, it's not better than other lasers in its class. You'll see most lasers on this list have similar spot sizes, though it cuts well for a 5.5W laser. For example, you can cut wood boards with 3mm to 8mm thickness and achieve engraving depths of 0.5mm to 3mm. You can even engrave on 304 stainless steel, and Two Trees claims that this machine can engrave matte stainless steel up to 10 times faster than over similarly priced machines. But is that true? Well, this laser machine engraves steel at 25mm. Yes, that is faster than many lasers in this price range. Still, speed is a major weakness for this laser, and others with similar prices. To put that in perspective, Xtool D15W can engrave steel at 80 mW. Plus, Engraver 3 with a similar price can engrave on some materials faster than TTS55, though not on steel. It also has a much faster axis speed than TTS55. So while the speed is fine for its price range, it's still nothing special overall. It worked well on every project I tried though, and it's a good cheap engraving option. Another plus is the silent motherboard, which ensures smooth movement and that there's no noise during engraving. In terms of operating software, Windows users can use this desktop laser engraver with the free Laser GRBL, which is one of the most popular engraving software among hobbyists. Alternatively, you can use the paid Lightburn software, which is even better. Lightburn is the recommended software for Mac users. Two Trees also offers a 20W laser for $700, but due to its high quality and being under $300, The TTS55 represents the best value for money. AtomStack A5 Pro, consistent and reliable. Laser power 40W, work area 410 and 400 meter. The AtomStack A5 Pro laser engraver is easily one of the best laser engravers under 300. If you spend a little more, you can also get the upgraded A5 Pro Plus with a more efficient laser beam. It's a super sturdy machine with an all-metal structure with an anodized coating that makes it very robust and durable. This machine uses a fixed focus laser, so there's no need to manually adjust it yourself, which helps reduce human error and speed up the cutting process. It has a thin laser spot that provides plenty of power to accurately engrave materials like stainless steel, wood, bamboo, acrylic, PCB, and more. The Pro Plus version has an even higher energy concentration, but it costs more and is one of the best affordable laser cutters for the price. The A5 Pro is built with your safety in mind. It has a laser protective cover that filters 97% of the UV light, so you can use it safely without even needing to buy or wear goggles. You can use this engraver with a variety of popular software, including Lightburn and Laser GRBL. Not only is the AtomStack A5 Pro one of the cheapest laser engravers out there, but it's also one of the most popular among users, with others users across the world praising its easy assembly, cutting accuracy, and value for money. Best laser engravers under $500. Orter Laser Master 2 Pro. Laser power 10 GU. Work area 400 x 400 mm. The Orter Laser Master 2 Pro is an excellent budget laser cutting machine and one of the best laser engravers under $500. This machine is a recent upgrade on Orter's popular Laser Master 2 and has some fantastic new features. It's faster, more accurate, more efficient, and safer, providing a really smooth user experience overall. The Orter Laser Master 2 Pro has a mechanical structure that's designed for optimal speed and stability. Not only does this help improve the accuracy and efficiency of your laser engraving jobs, but it also means the machine has a longer service life. It offers extremely smooth, delicate engraving with very high precision, thanks to the latest OLM Pro V10 motherboard and the laser module's excellent spot size, which is as effective as 0.07 mm. This also means you can cut thicker objects quicker than other cheap laser cutter modules. In fact, Orter claims the Master 2 Pro allows you to complete projects in around half the time it'd take with a 0.23 mm engraver. This home laser engraver is also extremely safe to use, even if you're a beginner. It has an upgraded 24V circuit system that provides more power with lower currents for improved safety, while functions like flame detection and emergency stop help prevent any potential issues. The automatic stop feature comes into effect when the machine is displaced or tilted, if the machine or computer crashes, and if the machine is turned on, but there's no movement for a while. Another great thing about the Orter Laser Master 2 Pro is that it offers a 400 x 400 mm engraving area, which allows you to work on larger projects than most other budget cutters. Best laser engravers under $1,000. Next tool, D1 Pro 10W. Best cheap laser engraver. Laser power 10W, 5W, 20W, and 40W also available. Work area 432 x 406 mm. The X-Tool D1 10W is the best diode laser under $1,000. The Orter and X-Tool are very similar in performance. Same 10W dual laser power, very similar work area sizes, similar safety settings. Both allow for Wi-Fi connectivity and control via an iOS or Android app. But to separate the two, the X-Tool D1 Pro is more sturdily built with steel rods and wheels and protected belts, whereas the Orter LM3, while still well-built, a big improvement on the previous Orter LM2 Pro, doesn't protect the belts. The X-Tool is also slightly larger and can be extended to 936 x 432 mm with the extension kit. Best cheap CO2 laser. Here's our top pick if you're looking to cut clear acrylic or thicker material and need a CO2 laser where a diode just won't cut it. OMTech 40W, best budget CO2 laser cutter. Power output 40W. Working area 200, 300 mm. OMTech 40W is the best budget CO2 laser cutter and the only CO2 laser engraver under $1,000 I recommend. So if you're looking to cut clear acrylic, engrave glass, cut rubber, or work with more fabrics or stone, it's the best pick for these. Diode laser simply will struggle. It's also the fastest laser on this list. But the obvious catch is that the machine is small, and the work area is 8 by 12. So, while it costs the same as a 10W diode laser and it's more powerful, you sacrifice a fair amount of working area. You won't be able to cut and engrave large acrylic or wooden signs, for example. Also, to keep the price down, OMTech didn't put their best foot forward on all aspects of this machine. For example, the machine is not compatible with Lightburn and rotary as it ships. However, OMTech has built a more expensive motherboard for this machine that runs on SmoothieWare and is compatible with Lightburn, rotary, and 24V modules. You can optionally upgrade it after purchase for about $160. Overall, this laser is not as beginner-friendly as other lasers we've discussed, but a great purchase. Dear viewers, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the videos.